Scheid and Bachmann AS30 barrier, providing robust and reliable performance for parking operations all over the world. With its durable powder coat finish and octagonal aluminum arm, the AS30 will last for many years of abuse. Today we will discuss some basic operations and procedures for keeping your AS30 level and smooth. When working on an AS30, remember to always turn off the power. Then flip dip switch 4 to go into training mode. A little hard to see from the front, going in from behind the motor is the easiest way to reach it. Then turn the power back on. To begin training the gate, start by locking the yellow button, then holding the green button down until the gate arm can go no further. Unlock and relock the yellow button, then hold down the red button until the gate can go no further. Unlock and relock the yellow button, then hold down the red and green buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Then unlock the yellow button. This will allow the gate to move through its operation range and set its internal level. Turn off the power and return dip switch 4 to its normal position. Next, we will loosen the arm retaining bolt with a 10 mm hex socket. Then retighten it enough that it holds on its own, but that you can still move the gate arm manually. Remember to always push the gate arm down below level and pull it up until the bubble is level. Then tighten the bolt back until it is very tight. This will help the gate from being forced open and will keep it level longer. In the event your gate arm is knocked off, it's no difficult task to reattach it. Start by loosening the two 6 mm hex bolts, then lift the gate arm into the bracket which will hold the weight of the arm. Make sure the arm is fully in the bracket and tighten the 6 mm hex bolts until snug. Tighten the jam nuts with a 13 mm wrench to prevent the bolts from loosening over time. The AS30 is equipped with several springs to assist it in opening and to enable the open on power fail function. Occasionally, these springs break and will need to be replaced. Replacing springs is relatively easy if done in the right order. Start by opening the gate, then turning it off. Using a number 2 screwdriver, insert the screwdriver from the bottom into the front corner hole on the bottom spring plate. This gives us leverage for working on the springs. Pry the plate forward as shown and pull the front spring down and out. Then unhook the back 2 springs. The back 2 springs can be removed from the top, whereas the front spring must be removed from the inside. When replacing the springs, go in reverse order and hang the 2 back springs from the top. Then hang the front spring from inside. Hook the 2 back springs on the bottom plate, then pry the plate up with your screwdriver and hook the front spring. The gate lid should be closed and locked when not being serviced. If incorrectly closed, the lock can become bent, inhibiting the lid from closing. If bent, bend it back until the gap is as shown. Scheid and Bachmann, providing parking solutions in the USA for over 25 years.